Welcome to the role of Club Treasurer. You do not need to have a financial background, just as long as you are methodical and consistent, then Club Treasurer should not be too difficult. Remember, help is always available. Preparation is very important. Discuss the position with the outgoing Treasurer. Read the Treasurer's Manual ebook. This is a guide to support you in your role as Treasurer for your club. Read the District Supplement ebook. This guide works best in an electronic format as it allows you to directly download the resources, tools and documents. For those members who prefer to use a printed copy, website links are included for reference. Your responsibilities as the Club Treasurer will be to attend all club and board meetings, prepare club budgets, collect annual members' dues, make payments on behalf of the club, maintain club financial records, and prepare regular financial reports. At the start of your year, make sure that the financial reports for the previous year have been prepared. The club board should approve the reports, submit the financial reports to the club's auditor for audit, advise the club secretary when the audit has been completed. The club secretary will then arrange the annual general meeting, which is the AGM, where the financial statements and audit report will be received. The audited financial statements, by the way, should be distributed to all members prior to the AGM. During the AGM, an auditor is appointed for the next year. Bank accounts. Your club will have at least 2 bank accounts, the administration account and your activities account. It's very important to understand the difference between the administration and activities accounts. The administration account used solely for the running of the club and for its members, such things as the membership dues, meeting income and expenditure, fines, club social activities, printing and stationery, purchase of equipment, membership badges. The activities funds are those funds we raise from the public and must be used to go back into our communities. Cost of running projects such as the purchase of meat for barbecues and catering, youth programs, donations and services provided to the public are taken from the activities account. These 2 accounts must be kept separate bank account and separate bookkeeping. Actually, some clubs create accounts for special purposes. Remember, every account should be included in the club's reports. Semi-annual membership dues. These dues are payable in July and January each year. Your club has an obligation to pay its dues, international, district and club, to remain in good standing. In other words, to be financial. Your membership numbers are taken directly from the information contained within MyLCI. This information is entered by the club secretary. It is a good idea to review the information in early December and early June to ensure your invoice reflects the correct numbers. There is a sample of your Lions Club's international invoice in your e-supplement book. It's a sample of the LCI statement, all the information that you require to make payments. This invoice statement is available from MyLCI. If you haven't already done so, I would suggest you register for an account. Amounts are expressed in US currency. Specific currency exchange rate changes each month. And remember, never send checks to the United States. The district invoices for dues, your administration account, activities account, the district bank accounts. The district has 2 bank accounts, the Lions District 201N1 clearing account, which is used for clubs to deposit funds for LCI payments such as dues, life membership, Melvin Jones Fellow, LCIF donations, and the Lions District 201N1 account is the district account for all district money such as all dues, district dues, Youth of the Year, Camp Getaway. Remember, never send cheques to the United States. The preferred methods of payment: electronic funds transfer, EFT or cheque. EFT transactions have a few advantages over traditional payment methods. It's safer than cheques. EFT payments are processed by the bank, so they cannot be lost or mislaid or left in the mail. All transactions are recorded by the financial institution involved, so it's easy to keep track of your spending. Generally, funds are verified within 24 to 48 hours. Receiving money. Prepare a dinner meeting sheet. Have separate bags or envelopes for the money and record all income received during the meeting. Balance your cash and cheque to the dinner meeting sheet. Issue receipts for all amounts received outside a dinner meeting, and ensure it always agrees to the dinner meeting sheet and receipts. Sound cash handling procedures. Always count cash in someone else's present. Don't do it on your own in a corner somewhere. Make sure there's someone else there present while you're counting cash. Record all cash received, dinner meeting sheet or receipts. When handing cash between members, give a written acknowledgement, for example a cash count sheet. When handing over float, get the person to count the money in front of you, then both sign the cash count sheet and date it. When you receive float back, you count the float and both sign the cash count sheet again and date it. And bank funds as soon as possible. Making payments. The Treasurer is responsible for arranging all payments from the club's bank accounts. Ensure that the expenditure is valid and correct, and have supporting documentation. Collate all invoices, dockets and receipts. Payments may be made by electronic funds transfer or cheque. Regardless of method of payment, there must be at least 2 signatories. Signatories must not be related and never pre-sign cheques. Petty cash. Small amounts less than $50 may be paid using petty cash. Maintain a separate petty cash float. Keep record of all petty cash payments and recruit petty cash expenditure regularly. The monthly financial reports. At each monthly meeting of the club's board, provide a statement of receipts and payments, a summary of it, a statement of all cash balances, that's the bank accounts and investments, have a bank reconciliation completed, including outstanding deposits and unpresented cheques, list of all payments made during the month. Purchasing club supplies. Lions Australia has an online shop for club supplies. Your club may already have an account. If not, you may register for a club account. Discount is offered if you pay for items at the time of the order. Donations. Your club may wish to make donations to Lions foundations and projects. The 2 main foundations, the Lions Clubs International Foundation, which is the LCIF, and the Australian Lions Foundation, which is the ALF. For information regarding LCIF donations or awards, contact the District LCIF Chairperson, past Council Chair Mel Peters. For information regarding ALF donations or awards, contact the District ALF Chairperson, past District Governor Peter Mercer. The links to all the foundations and projects are on supplement ebook. Maintain a list of the club's assets, whatever they be, whatever your club does. It may be that you have a barbecue trailer and equipment, computers, printers, photocopiers, other assets, maybe tables and chairs. Just ensure they are all listed, the date of the purchase, what you paid, and keep it up to date and pass it on to the next treasurer. At the end of the year, prepare a full year financial reports, submit financial reports and records to the auditor, arrange for change in signatories to all club accounts, including investments, then organise a meeting with the incoming treasurer to hand over all records and information.